Hey guys, John here, Vapor Honing Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company. Over 99 years of engineering and manufacturing of wet blasting systems, dry blast systems, and parts washing. Today we're going to talk about the Hydrocyclone. The Hydrocyclone is fantastic for getting your abrasive out of your water without draining the entire cabinet. You actually use the pump energy, so you use the pump to pump through this hose right here, and we have cam locks. You hook it into your pumping line, so the line coming from your pump. You do not need air for this. This is pump only pressure. You continually pump from the sump through the cyclone for about 20-ish minutes in total. The abrasive again is coming out into your bucket. By the time you're done, you have about 97 to 98% efficiency, meaning you only have a couple percent left of abrasive in the machine. With that being said, cyclones are really good if you're using the same abrasive again. So you're trying to take the old abrasive out, but you're putting the same abrasive back in, simply because you're gonna have a little bit of abrasive left over. These things are not 100% efficient. If you're trying to go from an aggressive abrasive to, let's say, a less aggressive abrasive, you're gonna get some mixing with those abrasives, and that's not gonna be a good thing, specifically if you're trying to hold a really tight process. So if you're using glass bead, ceramic bead, and you're switching to aluminum oxide or silicon carbide, you're going from a less aggressive media to a more aggressive. So if you leave a little bit of glass bead behind, it's probably not gonna be that big of a deal. But if you're going the opposite direction, you're gonna have a little bit of a problem left. But at that point, what you could do, since you've gotten the majority of the solids from the water, you could just dump the water and put fresh water in. However, cyclones are normally used to preserve the water in the machine and just take the abrasive out. And we highly recommend them if you are trying to preserve water, keep the water in the machine, keep it running, right? Do quick change outs. This is the way to go. Leave some comments below if you have some questions or comments. Also, you can call the sales team. You can phone call, text message, email. They're always here and happy to help. As always, thanks for watching.